Good afternoon, everyone. This is John here at the National Weather Service in Kansas City with a quick little update for our upcoming winter storm that's going to begin later on tonight and continue through Wednesday. We've updated snowfall totals across the region here this afternoon, shifting the axis of greatest snow amounts to the north and northwest there. We're still expecting widespread amounts of 3 to 7 inches across the bulk of the area, but if you look to the north and northwest, you can see about a 5 to 8 inch range for northeastern Kansas, southeast Nebraska, and in northwestern Missouri. Farther south, right now, where that axis sets up, we get a little bit of uncertainty in the total amounts, but I think overall we have pretty good confidence of around 5 inches of snow for the KC metro area, but we could see as high as 7 inches of snow in the KC metro area as this event unfolds through the day on Wednesday. Additionally, there might be a little bit of freezing drizzle across portions of the Ozarks. I'll talk about that on the next slide. We do have a winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 9 p.m. on Wednesday. Additionally, Wednesday night into Thursday morning and even into Friday morning, we're looking at wind chills each day in the 0 to negative digit range. So pretty chilly as we move through the next couple days. All right, so I mentioned the freezing rain on the first slide. We'll talk a little bit about that here. Again, this is be a short window here before snow really sets up, but you could see maybe a light glaze on elevated surfaces, about less than 1/100 of an inch from Sedalia down to Butler, so Pettis, Henry, and Bates County, and over into Lynn County, Kansas as well. A little bit of a better chance later on this evening across parts of farther south towards Joplin and Springfield, but for up here towards the US 50 corridor and south, I think this will be a short window here for maybe a little bit of ice before it transitions over to all snow. Snowfall start times 12 to 2 a.m. For portions of eastern Kansas and northwestern Missouri, around 2 to 4 a.m. for the KC metro area and along the I-35 corridor and I-49 to the south. And then around 4 to 6 a.m. start time for central Missouri as you get closer to Boonville and Columbia and Moberly, the US 63 corridor. Snowfall end times, I think tomorrow during the daytime, we're pretty confident things will start to wind down across the metro area around midday. And then as we get towards the eastern or central and then eastern parts of the states, it'll be the mid to late afternoon and into the early evening. So snowfall start times after midnight, 2 to 4 a.m. That's right in the bulk of that morning commute time frame. So definitely want to hammer home that message that the Wednesday morning commute could be pretty hazardous. All right, that's all we got for this briefing today. Right now, snow begins to move into the night across the region after midnight, continuing through the day on Wednesday, ending slowly around midday and through the evening from west to east. Widespread amounts of 3 to 7 inches across the area with upwards of 8 inches possible across northwestern Missouri, northern Missouri, and northeastern Kansas. And again, the Wednesday morning commute could be pretty hazardous, so definitely spread the word about that. If you have any questions or need anything from us, we'll be here 24/7 as always, here through the evening, overnight, and through the course of the event. You can reach out to a meteorologist at any time on the operations floor, 816-540-5147. And of course, reach out to us in Slack. We'll be posting updates in NWS chat, and latest forecast information will be up on our webpage at weather.gov/KC. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.